Start. Feeling aggrieved by order dated 3/12/2008 passed by the Division Bench of Punjab and Haryana High Court, refusing to quash the proceedings initiated by the Chandigarh administration under Rule 7A of the Chandigarh Sale of Sites and Buildings Rules 1960 for recovery of rupees 3,38,000 in lieu of the surrender of residential plot sold to them, the appellants have preferred this appeal, on the basis of highest bid of rupees 80 lakhs given by them in the open auction conducted by the Chandigarh administration, residential site number 1199, sector 19B was sold to the appellants subject to the conditions enumerated in letter dated 3/1/2005 issued by the state officer, Union Territory, Chandigarh. Respondent number 2, stop. The appellants deposited rupees 20 lakhs representing 25% of the bid money, stop. They took physical possession of the site on 25/1/2005 in the impugned order, the date of delivery of possession has been mentioned as 22/2/2005 but surrendered the same on 3/3/2005 by stating that due to unavoidable reasons they were not in a position to retain the site, stop. Upon receipt of the appellant's request for surrender, respondent number 2 issued letter dated 24/3/2005 and called upon them to show cause as to why penalty at the rate of 2.5% per premium may not be imposed and recovered under Rule 7A of the rules, stop. The appellants did not contest the notice, stop. Rather, appellant number 1 appeared before respondent number 2 and pleaded that the request for surrender be accepted subject to the condition specified in the notice, stop. Thereupon, respondent number 2 passed order dated 20/4/2006 whereby he accepted the surrender of the site and imposed penalty in terms of the so cause notice, stop. After 2 years and 6 months, respondent number 2 issued notice dated 5/11/2007 to the appellants requiring them to deposit rupees 3,38,000, stop. This was done on the premise that inadvertently penalty at the rate of 2% of the premium had been imposed at the time of acceptance of surrender of the site, though in terms of Rule 7A of the rules, penalty at the rate of 5% of the premium ought to have been imposed, stop. Appellant number 1 submitted reply dated 16/11/2007 and contested the demand by asserting that notice had been issued by the concerned officer without taking cognizance of the fact that surrender had already been accepted, stop. Simultaneously, he prayed for withdrawal of the request of surrender by stating that he was ready to deposit 25% premium, stop. The relevant portions of the reply submitted by appellant number 1 are extracted below, that the said memo has wrongly been sent to me as I had surrendered the plot well within 90 days of the issuance of allotment letter and had been charged penalty at the rate of 2.5% of the premium as per the relevant rule. In this regard, stop. The present recovery notice has been sent to me without any relevant rule and application of mine as a penalty of 2.5% had already been charged and stands deposited from me as per the orders passed by the state officer, UT Chandigarh in this regard, stop. That in view of the memo dated 5/11/2007 calling upon me to deposit 3,38,000